This video is to address task number 13. In task number 13, it asks to investigate the different types of formation of three-space. Basically, in three-space, 4 non-coplanar points are needed to define a three-space dimension. It presents us with 4 cases, A, B, C, and D. And in case letter A, we have 2 skew lines that define a three-space, and I am saying that this is true. We actually just got done seeing it in task number 12. So again, if you're noticing that I'm recycling the cube from task 12, you are correct. I have my skew lines predominantly shown again, and there are many skew lines that make up a cube, but these are just 2 that I have chosen to work with. I took away the axes to show some similarities later on with the axes, but I want us to investigate this without having the comfort of seeing the XYZ right away. So if I look at my blue vertical line and my red horizontal line, we'll say for right now, and I rotate them about, we are noticing that they do in fact form skew lines. If we look at the type of distance that is between these lines, if I were to create a line between these lines, notice this segment that is actually the edge of the cube. That segment is perpendicular to one of the skew lines, in fact both of the skew lines. And what that's creating is another instance of a dimension. So skew lines are able to be used to describe a three-space because of the fact that just by definition of skew, where they do not intersect, they are not parallel, and they are not sharing the same plane, we're able to grab 4 non-coplanar points. I could take any 2 points on the blue line and any 2 points on this red line, and they would be non-coplanar to each other, and they would eventually be that definition of a three-space setting. Now additionally, I do want to just show, I'm going to stop this rotation real quick and just rotate it back. I do want to show also how it correlates directly to the three-space axes. So if we look at this, I really have this matched up pretty well. So the line that we used skew in red is pretty identical to the line that is acting as one of our planes for the XYZ plane. Additionally, the blue is also matching. So what we're able to see is 3 sets of dimensions. So we can see height, we can see length, and we can see depth in this just from these 2 skew lines. So again, I am saying that skew is true to create the definition of 4 non-coplanar points, which in fact shows a three-space definition.